just arrived in Prahan or something, close to the Death Valley, where we're gonna stay for 2 nights now. And this is the cutest Airbnb ever. It's like a little, like just a little hut or something. So it's all just one big room, except for the bathroom. But this is so cute. Like, look at this. We have a TV. We have a little kitchen area where we have a microwave, one stove, a little thing where you can make breakfast or something, a fridge, sink. Then there's even a little table to eat your breakfast at. There's something for your suitcase. And then the bed, there's just a unicorn pillow and another like soft blanket on top of the bed. And then there's also a really big couch that looks really comfy, and yes, it is really comfy. And it looks just so cute. I just had to show you right away. And yeah, I'm really excited to be in Death Valley tomorrow. Yay! Oops, it's like 12 p.m., 1 p.m. something. Are we gonna die? Yeah, probably yeah. So yeah, we're edgy like that. We don't care about rules. Look at the salt. Why are you so salty? We're the only people out here in the actual salt thing field, where like I think that's the main attraction. Because probably because of the sign that you could die if you walk there after 10 a.m. and it's like the highest temperature of the day right now. And there's no one else walking this way. So we're just gonna walk back and chug like 2 gallons of water right when we come there and try not to die. But I'm honestly feeling fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I just had some water.
Yeah, if you bring water,
it's like Midland.
it's like
hot.
It's like Midland, Texas. I've been
there, done that.
Been there, done
not
that.
That hot, actually.
Been there, done that. It's just another Texan summer.
It's another desert.
Yeah, but yeah, we'll go back now. So we just drove up a dirt road and like we felt like we're gonna die while we were doing it because there were so many bumps. But we made it and we're kind of scared of going back down there again. But now we're doing like a teeny tiny hike to a natural bridge. It's called the Natural Bridge. It's supposed to be really cool. So yeah, we're gonna hike up there somewhere. guys, my name is Shudif and you're watching the video. And today I'm reviewing some Jack in the Box. We got a few different items, so I'm gonna try a bit of everything and then I'll tell you my thoughts. So the first thing is the really big chicken sandwich. It looks like this. And it has 2 pieces of chicken patty, cheese, tomato, salad and bacon on top. That one actually tastes really good. Like, it did not look that good. Like, I was like, oh, this looks kind of like squished together and something, and maybe it's not that good, but it's really good. So I also got a junior check cheeseburger. It looks like this. And it's basically just a patty, cheese, salad, and the tomato again. And like sauces. That one tastes actually really good. Like, that one's better than the McDonald's cheeseburger because it actually has tomato and salad in it, and I prefer that a lot. My sister also got the juicy, what is it? A double check something. So it comes in this little box, and I think it's basically the same thing that I got, but just bigger with 2 patties. Even though I only see 1 patty. Oh no. I only see 1 patty. Well,
Scam.
yeah. And it's dripping with like fat or something. Well, so there's only 1 patty in this one, but it's bigger than mine.
Yes, I'm waiting.
And maybe we just ordered this wrong thing. Maybe I just ordered the wrong thing. We paid like 19 something in total for all of this, and we definitely ordered the double because even on the box it's pressed in where it says double, and we only got 1 patty, so that's like, what? We got some loaded fries, so it's curly fries, well, with bacon and cheese. It looks like this. Yeah, it looks really good. I love cheese. But like, is it cheesy all the way through or just I don't know, I guess there's just a layer of cheese on top of everything and not... there's enough cheese on top, but it's just a layer on top, so you kind of have to mix it to get like cheese on every fry and stuff. And such. And then for dessert, my sister got an Oreo shake in regular, and we also got the mini churros. It's like very thick, so it's hard to eat it through the straw, so I'm just gonna try a bit with a spoon now. But it's not that thick anymore. I don't know. It actually doesn't really taste like milk, because I don't like milkshakes because I don't like the taste of milk. But this one actually tastes like ice cream with Oreos. Like vanilla ice cream with Oreos, like milk vanilla ice cream with Oreos. The normal plain soft ice cream with Oreos in it. So that's good. And then a churro. And they're filled with something, but I don't really know what it is. Like, it reminds me of the apple bag thingies from McDonald's, but it's with apple. I don't know. No, I think it's only cinnamon. Taste it. It's only cinnamon, so it's cinnamon cream inside of a churro that's already coated in cinnamon. And sugar. So yeah, that's it. That's everything we got from Jack in the Box. How would I rate this?
Is it Whataburger approved?
It's not like Whataburger. Because Whataburger was a bit better, I think. But it's straight, like a 9 out of 10. This Whataburger was 9.5. This
No, Whataburger was 9.
9. So this is 8 out of 10. Yeah, I would give that an 8 out of 10 simply because they forgot a patty.
They forgot my second patty.
They forgot a second patty, so
and
that's...
second cheese. Like, it was a second layer of everything.
Yeah, so that's really bad.
Yeah.
But everything else was really good, so 8 out of 10. I would definitely go eat it there again. It's not like Taco Bell though. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel because I will upload more food reviews like this and also more travel vlogs. So yeah, every Friday 6 p.m. mainland European time there will be a new video.